History. Friedrich Max Muller translated the Sanskrit text of Hitopdesh. The Khas Plateau in the Satara district of the Western Ghats is included in the list of World Natural Heritage. Vishnudas Bhave is known as the father of Marathi theatre. Louvre Museum has in his collection that much acclaimed painting of Mona Lisa by Leonardo da Vinci. Next. Find out the wrong pair. George William Friedrich Hegel, reason in history. Leopold von Ranke, the theory and practice of history. Herodotus, the histories. Karl Marx, discourse on the method. So the wrong pair is Karl Marx, discourse on the method, and right pair is Karl Marx is written, or Karl Marx, Das Kapital. Who were the Shudras? Subaltern history. Stree Purush Tulna, feminist writing. The Indian War of Independence, Marxist history. Grand of colonial history. So the wrong pair is the Indian War of Independence, Marxist history. The Indian War of Independence is by the nationalistic history. Okay, then Prabhakar, Acharya P.K. Atre, Darpan, Balshastri Jambekar, Deenbandhu Krishnarao Balekar, Kesari, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So the wrong pair is Prabhakar Acharya P.K. Atre. Corrected pair is Bhakar Bhau Mahajan. Next one is first full-length movie released in India is Raja Harishchandra. First historical film in India is Simhagar. Movie dealing with real social issues is Saukari Paksha. Indian movie which got international acclaim is Sant Dhaneshwar. So the wrong pair is Indian movie which got international acclaim is Sant Dhaneshwar. Indian movie which got international acclaim is Saint Tukaram. Now we are going to see the flowchart on stages of historiography, collecting the historical information and understanding its references. So collecting the historical information and understanding its references is to do comparative analysis of the information, critical examination of various sources of history, to formulate relevant questions related to historical reference, to formulate hypotheses and present theories. Historians are James Mill, The History of British India, James Grandaf, A History of Marathas, Mount Stuart Elphinstone, The History of India, Comrade Shripad Dange, Primitive Communism to Slavery, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Who Were the Shudras. So plays by famous playwrights Sangeet Shakuntalan, Sangeet Shraddha, Sangeet Shakuntalan by Annasaheb Kirloskar, then Govind Ballal Deval, Sangeet Shraddha, Shripad Krishna Kolhatkar, Sangeet Manapam, Krishnaji Prabhakar Khadilkar, Sangeet Muknayak.